So what we're doing here is finding an increase or decrease as a percentage. For example, in this case, the town of Bedrock has increased in population from 2,500 to 3,200. So what we do first is we look at the actual amount. So we find that it was 2,500 first, up to 3,200 in 2018. So what we've got to do first is find the actual increase. So just work out the difference between the two. So 3,200 minus 2,500. And so the actual increase is 700. So what we do is we take this amount and we divide it by the original amount. What happened first? And what happened first was 2010 when it was 2,500. And we find that being 0.28. And to change that into a percentage, you just multiply by 100 to get 28%. So, how we actually do it, the formula for finding it, is work out the increase, decrease, divide it by the original amount, what happened first, and then times it by 100. And that's how you do the increase or decrease as a percentage.